Artificial intelligence and accessibility in education refer to the use of AI technologies to remove barriers and create equitable learning opportunities for students with diverse needs, ensuring that educational experiences are inclusive of all individuals, particularly those with disabilities. AI's growing presence in educational settings signifies a transformative potential to enhance accessibility. This is crucial because it leverages technological advancements to foster an inclusive environment where every student, regardless of their physical or cognitive limitations, can engage in learning experiences fully and equally. The significance of integrating AI with accessibility lies in its ability to tailor educational resources to meet individual needs, thereby bridging gaps in traditional educational settings. For instance, AI-powered applications can transcribe spoken words into text in real time, aiding students who are deaf or hard of hearing. An example of this is the use of automatic speech recognition technology in classrooms, enabling teachers' lectures to be simultaneously captioned, allowing hearing-impaired students to follow along seamlessly. Another application is in personalized learning environments. AI can analyze a student's learning patterns and adapt instructional methods accordingly, which can greatly benefit students with learning disabilities by providing customized support and pacing. Several experts in educational bodies underscore the potential of AI to democratize education. They argue that with the adaptive capabilities of AI, we can dismantle conventional obstacles faced by students with disabilities, thus promoting a more inclusive and diversified educational landscape. However, despite the optimistic outlook, challenges do exist. Concerns regarding data privacy, especially the handling of sensitive information about students' disabilities, present significant obstacles. Additionally, there is a risk of reinforcing existing biases in AI systems if they are not carefully monitored and regulated. Critics also argue that an over-reliance on technology might lead to depersonalization of education, where the role of human teachers may become diminished or undervalued. This facet of AI in accessibility intersects with broader educational reforms by highlighting the importance of inclusivity and personalized learning. It challenges existing pedagogical models and calls for collaboration between technologists, educators, and policymakers to ensure that AI's integration into education systems is ethical and beneficial to all. In doing so, it strengthens the dialogue on equitable learning opportunities, pushing towards a future where education is universally accessible, regardless of an individual's physical or cognitive abilities. Understanding accessibility needs in learning environments is a crucial component of ensuring inclusive education for all students. Accessibility in this context refers to the design and delivery of educational experiences that accommodate diverse learners, including those with physical, sensory, cognitive, or emotional challenges. The goal is to create an environment where every student has equal opportunities to engage with the content and participate actively in the learning process. The significance of understanding accessibility needs cannot be understated when discussing AI and accessibility. As educational institutions increasingly integrate AI technologies, it's vital to ensure these advancements promote inclusivity rather than exacerbating existing inequalities. By identifying and addressing accessibility needs, we empower AI to serve as a tool that enhances learning experiences for every student. Consider, for instance, the application of AI-powered speech recognition technologies, which can transcribe spoken words into text in real time. This is particularly beneficial for students with hearing impairments, enabling them to access lectures and discussions alongside their peers. Another example is AI-driven personalized learning platforms that adapt to the pace and style of individual learners. These platforms can offer alternative methods of instruction, such as visual aids for students with dyslexia or interactive simulations for those who benefit from experiential learning. Support for the importance of understanding accessibility needs in education comes from various quarters. Advocates highlight that inclusivity not only benefits students with disabilities, but enriches the learning environment for everyone by fostering diversity of thought and experience. Moreover, inclusive education practices have been linked to improved academic outcomes and social integration. However, the implementation of accessibility in digital learning environments presents challenges. Designing AI systems that can accurately interpret and cater to diverse needs is a complex task, often requiring significant resources and expertise. Furthermore, there is potential for controversy around issues of privacy and data security, as AI systems typically rely on extensive data to function effectively. Critics may also argue that the rapid pace of technological adoption may leave some students behind, particularly those in under-resourced schools that may struggle to deploy the latest tools. Understanding accessibility needs is intrinsically linked to other facets of AI and accessibility, as it guides the development of technologies and policies that shape inclusive learning environments. It also informs teacher training and curriculum design, ensuring that education systems remain responsive to the evolving landscape of digital learning. By prioritizing accessibility, educational institutions can harness the transformative power of AI to create truly equitable learning experiences for all students. The role of AI technologies in enhancing learning accessibility is a critical component of creating inclusive educational environments. This concept involves the use of artificial intelligence to adapt learning resources, tools, and environments to meet the diverse needs of all students, including those with disabilities or learning differences. AI can personalize learning experiences by analyzing individual learning patterns and adapting content delivery to suit those patterns. This tailored approach ensures that all students can access education in a manner that best suits their unique abilities and challenges. The significance of AI in this context is profound. Education is a fundamental right, and ensuring that all students have access to learning opportunities is crucial for fostering equality and inclusivity. AI technologies can bridge gaps that traditional educational methods may not sufficiently address, providing innovative solutions that empower all learners. By creating more accessible learning experiences, AI contributes to breaking down barriers and enabling students to achieve their full potential. Real-world applications illustrate this point effectively. For instance, tools like speech-to-text applications use AI to assist students with hearing impairments by converting spoken words into written text in real time. Additionally, AI-driven platforms like intelligent tutoring systems can provide personalized feedback and recommendations, helping students with learning disabilities progress at their own pace. These technologies demonstrate the vast potential AI has in making learning more accessible and personalized. Many educators and experts advocate for the integration of AI in education, expressing optimism about its potential to democratize learning and adapt to student needs. However, challenges and controversies exist. Privacy concerns and data security issues arise, as AI systems rely heavily on collecting and analyzing substantial amounts of personal data. Moreover, the effectiveness of AI systems may be questioned if they reinforce existing biases or fail to consider the nuanced needs of all learners. This point of AI technologies enhancing learning accessibility intertwines with other aspects of the main topic by emphasizing the need for holistic approaches to inclusivity. By addressing accessibility, AI can enhance overall educational experiences, fostering a culture of learning that recognizes and values diversity. It also prompts discussions on ethical considerations in AI deployment, ensuring that advancements are made responsibly and inclusively. These interconnected elements highlight the transformative impact AI can have on inclusive education when implemented thoughtfully and equitably. AI tools and applications for inclusive education refer to the deployment of artificial intelligence technologies that facilitate personalized and accessible learning experiences for students with diverse needs. These tools are designed to cater to varying abilities, learning styles, and preferences, ensuring that education is inclusive for all students, including those with disabilities. The significance of this point lies in its potential to dismantle existing barriers within educational systems, making learning more accessible, equitable, and tailored to individual requirements. By leveraging AI, educators can better recognize and address the unique challenges faced by students, ultimately promoting equal opportunity and educational achievement. One notable example of AI applications in inclusive education is speech recognition software, such as Google's Live Transcribe. This tool enables transcriptions of spoken language in real time, crucial for students who are deaf or hard of hearing. By providing a textual representation of spoken words, it enhances accessibility during classroom discussions and lectures. Another example is Microsoft's Immersive Reader, which supports students with dyslexia or other reading difficulties. It offers features like text-to-speech, adjustable text size, and background color adjustments, helping students comprehend written material more effectively. Supporters of AI in education argue that these tools not only enhance accessibility, but also foster independence and confidence among students with special needs. Personalized learning experiences powered by AI can adapt content delivery to match each student's pace and level of understanding, thus reinforcing the student's ability to succeed academically. However, AI-driven inclusive education does face challenges and controversies. Privacy concerns arise due to the vast amounts of data collected to personalize learning experiences. Critics worry about the potential misuse of this data or breaches that could compromise student privacy. Additionally, there is a risk of over-reliance on AI tools that might result in diminished human interaction, which is critical for fostering social skills and empathy among students. This emphasis on AI tools for inclusive education connects to broader discussions on technological integration in classrooms. It underlines the need for ongoing teacher training and infrastructure investment to effectively embed these technologies into everyday learning environments. Moreover, it influences policies aimed at ensuring that technological advancements cater not just to educational excellence, but also to inclusivity and equity, reinforcing the overarching goal of achieving a more inclusive learning experience for all students.